Hi, good morning. Today is 12th of August 2020. Now you are looking at Forest View apartment in Botanical Gardens. Coming up is the view of the food court at the back and the mosque opposite the office, and this unnecessary bridge to nowhere. These are hills that leads up to Penang Hill. And now you can see Moon Gate coming up. We are just about 1 kilometer from the waterfall, the source of the river, and I'm very puzzled that this beautiful river, which is natural, that we used to swim when we go camping at Coronation Camp, has now been artificially built with embankments of stone to alter the course. So I'm really puzzled, why is MBPP spending this money to change the natural flow of the river and alter the natural ecosystem for I don't know what reason. So, well, somebody at MBPP, please help to answer my query. Thank you and bye.